Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Church's purple pepper sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video with everybody you know. Like I said, today we're going to be making Church's purple pepper sauce. Let's drop down here and look at our ingredients. We've got a half a cup of grape jelly, 3 tablespoons of pickled jalapenos, 1 teaspoon of the pickled jalapeno juice, which is in with the peppers, and then a half a teaspoon of some habanero hot sauce. Let's mix it up. Alright, we got our ingredients right here, and we've got our camera shot right there on our mixer. What we want to do, since this is inverted, we take it and we invert it onto the blade. So I'm going to put the grape jelly in first so that our peppers will be on top, but will be actually by the blade when they mix. And I got the juice in there too. Then I got our habanero sauce right on top of that. Okay, we're going to go probably 20 seconds. You want everything blended well. That looks fantastic. We're going to set this into a different dish. Got some chicken too. Not Church's chicken. I want to make that perfectly clear for anybody watching that thinks I'm representing Church chicken. This is just the sauce, the purple pepper sauce that we're making today, not the chicken. I just happen to have some chicken strips laying around, or chicken patties that my wife had bought. And I put them in the air fryer, that we're going to use those for this sauce. So just to make that perfectly clear. All right, let's switch out. We'll go to the photo shoot. Alright, we got our sauce here, and the chicken I've used for the picture, dipped in it already. Sticks to it. It does, when you refrigerate this, it does thicken a little bit, so it makes it a little bit more congealed. But let's just see, clings to the chicken. Shot of that up close. Alright, let's give this a try. There's that. Got the sweetness of that grape juice, or got the sweetness of that grape jelly, and that heat comes in behind it. Yeah, not really bad heat, not very hot at all, for me at least. I'm used to hot food, but got a little bit of kick. It will develop more of a heat as it sits in the fridge too. Yeah, it's a good mixture. And for storage, you can just leave it in the container that you mixed it in if you got one of these bad boys. Set it right in your fridge, or put it in a Tupperware container with a lid. Keeps for about 2 weeks. Don't forget to check out my website, itsonlyfood.biz. I got over 90 fast food sauces there, videos and recipes. You can check out the videos. Well, the videos are on the site, itsonlyfood.biz. You just go in there and you'll find fast food sauces, and the page that this recipe is on also has a video how to make it, just like we're doing right now, and then a recipe that you can copy and paste. So thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Church's purple pepper sauce. Bye bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul.